How can I add new keys to a dictionary? How do I add a key to an existing dictionary? It doesn't have an .add method.
You create a new key value pair on a dictionary by assigning a value to that key. If the key doesn't exist, it's added and points to that value. If it exists, the current value it points to is overwritten.
I feel like consolidating info about Python dictionaries. Creating an empty dictionary. Creating a dictionary with initial values. Inserting/updating a single value. Inserting/updating multiple values. Python 3.9 plus. The update operator equals now works for dictionaries. Creating a merged dictionary without modifying originals. Python 3.5 plus. This uses a new feature called dictionary unpacking. Python 3.9 plus. The merge operator now works for dictionaries. Deleting items in dictionary. Check if a key is already in dictionary. Iterate through pairs in a dictionary. Create a dictionary from two lists.
To add multiple keys simultaneously, use dict.update. For adding a single key, the accepted answer has less computational overhead.
If you want to support the channel,